Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And today the topic of presentation is 5G technology. Now moving on, what 5G is. 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machine, objects and devices. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-gigabytes peak data speeds, ultra-low frequency, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency, new user experiences, and connects new industries. Now moving on to the next point, that who invented 5G? Now the answer is no one company or person who owns 5G, but there are several companies within the mobile ecosystem that are contributing to bringing 5G to life. Qualcomm has played a major role in inventing the many foundational technologies that drive the industry forward and make a 5G the next wireless standard. Now, we are the heart of third generation partnership project 3GPP, the industry organization that defines the global specifications for 3G UMTS, including HSPA, 4G LTE, and 5G technologies. And now the question is, what technologies make up 5G? A 5G is based on OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, a method of modulating a digital signal across several different channels to reduce interferences. 5G uses 5G NR air interface alongside OFDM principles. 5G also uses wider bandwidth technologies used as sub 6 gigahertz and millimeter wave. Like 4G LTE, 5G OFDM operates based on the same mobile networking principles. However, the 5G NR air interface can further enhance OFDM to deliver a much higher degree of flexibility and solidity. This could provide more 5G access to more people and things for a variety of different use cases. 5G will bring wider bandwidths by expanding the usage of spectrum resources from sub 3 GHz used in 4G to 100 GHz and beyond. 5G can operate in both lower bands, sub 6 GHz, as well as millimeter wave. For example, 24 GHz capacity, multi-gigabytes throughput, and low latency. And now we move on to the differences between the previous generations of mobile networks and 5G. Now we just talk about a little bit about 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G networks. The previous generations of mobile networks are 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. First generation 1980s was the year in which 1G was invented. 1G delivered analog voice. Second generation 2G was invented in early 1990s. 2G introduced digital voice, for example CDMA, code division multiple access. Now moving on to the third generation 3G, early 2000 it was invented. 3G was invented. 3G brought mobile data, for example CDMA 2000. Fourth generation 4G LTE, which is available in Pakistan, it was invented in 2010, and 4G LTE ushered in the era of mobile broadband. Now we just talk about the 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. Now we're moving on to the 5G network. 5G is a unified, more capable air interface. It has been designed with an extended capacity to enable next generation user experiences, empower new development models and deliver new services. With high speeds, superior reliability and negligible latency, 5G will expand the mobile ecosystem into a new realm. 5G will impact every industry, making safer transportation, remote healthcare, precision agriculture, digitalized logistics and more a reality. Now just talk a little bit about how the 5G network is better than 4G network. There are several reasons that 5G will be better than 4G. 5G is significantly faster than 4G. 5G has more capacity than 4G. It has a significantly lower latency than 4G, and 5G is a unified platform that is more capable than 4G. 5G uses spectrum which is better than 4G network. Now talk about the positive impacts of the 5G on our global economy. 5G is driving global growth. $13.2 trillion of global economic output has been done by 5G, and 22.3 million new jobs has been created. $2.1 trillion growth in GDP. Through a landmark 5G economy study, we found that 5G's full economic effect will likely be realized across the globe by 2035, supporting a wide range of industries and potentially enabling up to 13.2 trillion worth of goods and services. This impact is much greater than previous network generation. The development requirements of the new 5G networks are also expanding beyond the traditional mobile networking players to industries such as the automotive industry. And the study also revealed that the 5G value chain, including OEMs, operators, content creators, app developers, and consumers, could alone support up to 22.3 million jobs, or more than one job for every person in Beijing, China. And there are many emerging and new applications that will still be defined in the future. Only time will tell what the 5G affect the global economy. Now just talk about how fast 5G is. Now it can download 8K movie 500% faster than 4G LTE. A 5G is designed to deliver peak data rates up to 20 Gbps based on IMT 2020 requirements. But 5G is about more than just how fast it is. In addition to higher peak data rates, 5G is designed to provide much more network capacity by expanding into new spectrum such as millimeter wave. 5G can also deliver much lower latency for a more immediate response and can provide an overall more uniform user experience so that the data rates stay consistently high even when users are moving around. And the new 5G NR mobile network is backed up by a gigabyte LTE coverage foundation, which can provide gigabyte class connectivity. Now the question is 5G available now? Yes, 5G is already here today, and global operators started launching new 5G networks in early 2019. In 2020, many countries accept nationwide 5G mobile networks. Also, all major Android phone manufacturers are commercializing 5G phones, and soon even more people may be able to access 5G. The countries in which the 5G is rightly available now is Australia, Austria, Belgium, Bahrain, Canada, China, Finland, Germany, Hong Kong, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Kuwait, Maldives, Monaco, and Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Oman, Philippines, Poland, and Qatar, Romania, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, and United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, and United States of America. Now the question is, do I need a new phone if I want 5G? Yes, you will need to get a new smartphone that supports 5G if you want to be able to use the network. For example, smartphones powered by the Snapdragon X55 can be useful for the 5G networks. The question is 5G available in Pakistan? The answer is no. 5G is still not available in Pakistan, but we are hopeful we will get 5G soon in Pakistan. And with this, I have ended my presentation. And thanks very much, and Allah Hafiz.